Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. No, Marcia come out strong for the landlord. The landlord, Erica, because she's saying that Erica is on her live talking about her basically every day. And she's saying that Erica needs to mind her business, and that way she will not have hers to watch. Marcia is saying that basically she has a business, and that's the reason why she has to be at UPS and FedEx and those places, because she has a business that she's running, whereas Erica don't have a business. She's also stating that she doesn't have to come on social media to beg. She works for what she wants, and Erica, on the other hand, has to allegedly beg. So go catch the video and see what Marcia has to say about her business and about Erica. And remember, guys, to share, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, people, have yourselves a beautiful, wonderful, and peaceful day.
Mercy. This a box here just have me packager, just have me round the corner, just have me all over the place like a Dr. Gadget Angela Lansbury to rotted well clot. No sir, Christmas and holidays are it's crazy. Me. No, sir. No. You don't love me and I know now. No. Me tired for your chase a package. No, sir. Me tired for your chase a package. It look like she's not supposed to put let's look here. Yes, my dear. It look like something if you find this a package. Finally, me solve the mystery of the missing package. The package when I deliver. It wasn't at the post office. It was at FedEx. You know, we have to be careful, you know. Because seeing way my mind was telling me say it was a scamming. That's why I not love opening them something, you know. You see, me tell you I have a friend and me have a customer, me ship a package and she can't find it from the 12 or 13. And she call me and say, Marcia, where's the package? Because I wanted something. And me ask, we go to the post office, them I say, me need this and me need that. And me see one post office sitting come in, one link. And say, me have packages where still at the warehouse to deliver. When I went to the post office, figure bring the link with the tracking number. You know, say a scam? That's why I tell you, you know, I say, me never want up meet, you know. Because it's scamming something, you know. When me go there, one package is shipped from October. And it's stuck in a Minnesota. And it was from Minnesota to Washington. It keeps circling. When me go there, it's scamming. So me say, all right, let me come to FedEx. Because I me ship from FedEx to post office. Me finally got FedEx. FedEx, me find it. Them pick you up and find it. Them say stuck in a South Windsor. And a Vermont it ago. From much over 7 days now. Them can't find it. I say them don't know which party there. Me must go file missing package and claim it. Remember say me all of my box them have insurance, you know. Me I said to myself, me must go find claim. Then it look like say chef go pick out the curtain. Cause before that same style of curtain there, me ship it to California. Me ship it to California. Somebody else get it to California and them love it. I mean, I try to give her back something else and she said she don't want it. But she's my regular shopper who have been shopping with me from the beginning, from the company. So it look like you have to pick out a set of curtain. Cause you don't have no luck with the curtain there. Cause first you went to California, somebody get it. Then Me come back, go buy it back, and ship it down FedEx Lassie. Lord have his mercy. FedEx said there was them don't know where they lost and found. And FedEx it was see tracking here. Me just give her the number until I said she go see if she can track it. She don't have the luck with the curtain, eh? Me won't bother put up the curtain at all. Me not lie. Me won't bother put it up. Me have a prettier curtain can give you. You need to put up something else. First, he went to California to somebody. And none. FedEx lost it. The last time they saw it, it was in the warehouse of winter. Them not see nowhere it disappear to. Well, somebody take the box to them have a lovely 6-piece of curtain if you can put up on the window. No, sir. That is crazy. No, sir. That is crazy. That little idiot man, top call my name over YouTube. Top call my name. Come talk about every day me sit down in my vehicle at the post office. Bitch ass woman. You know why me can't sit down in my vehicle at the post office? Because me have a business that you don't have. Dirty landlord. Now call me name out. But every day me sit down off in a post office and a vehicle. Yes, because I have a business. Me now come on social media come beg. Like you. And I spread false rumor to get money by YouTube or Facebook. Me have a business, so me work out of my business right now my vehicle, and me have to come to post office and FedEx from one location to the other. Drunk woman, because you don't have a business. All the business where you have to come on telephone and come on YouTube and trouble business. So I have to come to FedEx where you don't know about. So if you didn't have sense, you'd have use some of your blood clot YouTube money and go buy 2 chicken and 2 egg. Well, look just like blood clot you, and by the time you come on Facebook and chat me and I make the money them on YouTube and trouble me, you could have buy 2 blood clot egg like you pitney them and go sell them for Christmas. And that you should have got do. The time you did it, chat me, and I talk about me sit down in a post office every day and sit down in a car every day. Yes, blood clot, because I have a pussy clot business. So I have to look out for the people in business ship off them items. So if you did get 2 of your blood clot ginger ration and go raise them, 2 big ugly hog, you would have them for Christmas. So you can't go sell them and make some money and make up one blood clot chicken cube in your bathroom because you have one blood clot hog pen in there already. All you have to do is to put some pig in there and raise them and go sell them. And some blood clot chicken. And your bathroom look like a hot pen. And a black room with concrete block. So all you have to do was to put some hay in there, some grass, and throw some hog feeding in there, and some chicken feeding. You would have blood clot money, so you wouldn't have to dip on Facebook and mind people pussy clot business. You wouldn't have fear going on my blood clot business, dirty landlord. Yes, you would not fear mind my business for you come and talk about me sit down in a car every day at post office. Yes, because me have a blood clot business, me have to go to post office. That's the reason why me have to go to post office, because me have a fucking business, so me have to post out people them something. Me not scam no blood clot body. Me a walk, me go out and me shop, and me go out and ship off the people them things. Me not sit down on Facebook and I disrespect and I ridicule people with false info blood clot nation. You understand me? So you don't know nothing about business. All you know if you walk and beg and sell pussy. That's all. And come on social media, come scam people and then charity money. And then you take some for yourself and give little hack food where your blood clot give out. That's what you do. I'm fasting at people blood clot business and take up my good up contents them. That's what you do. So you don't know nothing about no blood clot post office and FedEx and UPS. Keep your blood clot self to yourself. I said that if you do. You're too fucking fast. You understand me? I go on like say you're a blood clot journalist. Eh? You can't even spell your blood clot name, but you come up about your breakdown things. Eh? You can't even spell blood clot post office. But you come about here talk about every day me sit down in a post office. Eh? Coop on you. Eh? Coop on you. You're too fucking fast. You could have chat until die kingdom come. You dirty blood clot. I none of them pass social media and such part me live. Whether me want to live in a motel, hotel holiday in a hand, you dirty pussy clot. You not see one blood clot which part me live. You motherfucker. So you think you can come on social media, come chatting the fucking things, me jump up and say, see where me live here, fuck you, your blood clot. You think say one time this? What I for all when me live out I do in my blood clot vehicle. Your bumbo clot now switch part me live on a fucking blood clot. I wanna take this thing for. Huh? I wanna take this thing for. Because you know what Papa come got. That is what it is. Me shipping blood clot, you not ship. All your ship is your thinking mouth. That's all you shipping. Your thinking blood clot pitch by day and blood clot fly by night self. That is it. That's where you ship. Go fix up your damn piece of whole house for the holiday. If the type of money where they on social media make, go buy one good couch. Your blood clot couch look like any blood clot bee's eyes nest. Go buy that if you go do. Go buy one blood clot couch and put in your house for Christmas. You look an ugly blood clot floral couch. Them top wear. I go find one pulse place and make them wrap that blood clot for you. But nowadays it look like a you. Ugly just like your blood clot. Yeah, that is it. I'm going to take the little blood clot dulce in a curtain them where you have. If you not behave your blood clot self and go on the good side, me could have send you 2 pussy clot good up with a curtain put to your fucking window. Instead of them 2 pieces of blood clot kitchen towel you have up there. Where you get fat down a Bendon Plaza. 2 years, all now you can't even change your blood clot curtain. But you gone on broke people's side. When you know nothing about fashion or raw style. But if you behave your blood clot self, you could have get a little bit more donation. You could have get, you just say not even cook food nobody not give nothing. You could have get piece of blood clot, you have a little piece of blood clot kitchen curtain them. I don't know which blood clot kitchen curtain them, you go collect all over the place. I make both you make curtain. But cook on you. Both you come about your chat, but every day you sit down in a car. And what if you do? The shipping me there. What me I do? Ship under your blood clot? Under you if you go ship? Me never know. Me never know say you collect blood clot box under your pussy. You collect box under your pussy if you go ship. Me never know say your name blood clot FedEx and post office. Me never know.